All right. I thought this would be a fun topic to talk about.
What's that?
Meme coins, cryptocurrency,
Meme coins.
and meme coins. This is important because there's quite a bit of stuff that's happening right now in the crypto world and precious metals community as it relates to this. So that's what I wanted to talk about.
Let's do it.
All right, so crypto meme coins. I know a lot of people right now, they're like, we want to talk about silver and gold. We don't want to listen to crypto. I get it.
So tell me, because I'm really not too knowledgeable in this. What considers something a meme coin?
All right, so a meme coin, those of you that don't know what a meme is, first of all, a meme is just like an internet joke thing, right? Like,
So what's considered like what are like the top meme coins?
I say like
coins?
Dogecoin
That's
is a
considered
meme,
coin?
right? Pepe is a meme.
What gets it out of the meme? Like Bitcoin's not considered.
Bitcoin's not a meme
Why?
because it's got to have a actual function. It has to have some sort of utility behind it. It has to have a purpose in which you're facilitating, a financial transaction, if you will. It's got to actually have some sort of value, not just some BS random currency that serves zero value. So essentially, one of the latest examples, the biggest example that I can think of is the Hawk Tua girl, right? So those of you that don't know,
What
there
the
was
name of the
this
stock? Meme coin.
Hawk,
Was that what it's called?
Hawk.
Oh yeah.
So those of you that don't know, there was this girl that went viral on TikTok, and she was known as the Hawk Tua girl. She and some developers ended up creating a meme coin, and the meme coin was listed, and they promoted it,
Big money.
made big money, and then they sold out of it completely.
Pump and dump.
Pump and dump.
you go.
She's getting sued. There's a lot of people that are in trouble with it, but that's a meme coin. It didn't serve any sort of value. Bitcoin, you can use as a form of currency to buy, or money, I should say, to buy something from somebody, products or services. There's a lot of, even though it's not backed by anything, there's a lot of people across the world that believe in it, which is what gives it value, right? Same thing with dollars, same thing with any currency,
Anything. Yeah, sure.
right? So as long as people believe it has value, it's going to have value. Bitcoin can be used and has already been used as a way of buying and selling stuff. Same thing with Ethereum, same thing with XRP. But a meme coin is just like a BS joke nonsense thing that people are just doing just for fun. And people are buying it.
I mean, it's extremely risky to begin with. I mean, it's not like people are throwing tons of money in this, and like they're probably losing tons of money too. But you do hear the success stories here and there, people timing it right.
Yeah, so there's, exactly. The meme coins are 100% speculative, 100% just timing, and you better hope that you're timing things right. So for example, just the other day, Trump came out with a meme coin of his own.
You couldn't wait to bring that up. You couldn't wait to bring
Well,
this
think
topic
about
up,
this though.
guy.
Think about this though. Just 2 days before he's getting sworn in, the coin goes all the way up to $45. And then within a matter of 2 hours, it drops like a rock down to like below $2 within a matter of hours.
Yeah, but I mean, so it's the
So
same
when you're
situation as Hawk Tua girl, right? Is it like, what are they doing wrong? Is it illegal? I don't
That's the whole
understand.
thing, is because some coins and tokens are considered securities. You have the SEC, you've got the FTC, and there's another
How would it be
government
any different
organization.
with a stock? You own a stock, it goes up X amount of dollars, you sell
There's
it.
a lot of gray area. There's a lot of gray area. That's the whole issue, right? So there's currently, and I'm not going to give the person, I'm not going to say the name of the channel, but there's a precious metals channel that they were creating content for 5 years, 6 years, talking about only silver and gold, how, and stocks or whatever, but just talking about how silver and gold is the real thing.
Yeah.
Oh, if you can't hold
What,
it,
jump
you
ship
don't own
with
it.
the cryptos?
The guy creates a meme coin. It ends up just taking off. Guy's now estimated at a couple $1,000,000 based on what he's saying he holds in terms of the meme coin. But he's now no longer posting anything talking about silver and gold. You can read in the comments, people are like, I'm out. You know, you were talking about how silver and gold is the only way to go. And then the guy just, now he's like kind of, you know, like a lottery ticket, hit it big, and now he's just nothing to do with metals. And you could see like instant shift. Now,
what's wrong with that? He turned his back on metals.
So here's the thing. Obviously, good for the guy that he was able to do this.
Sure, man. Whoever that he's talking about, congratulations. That's awesome.
And good for him that he was. The issue is that when you build up a platform for 5 years, 6 years, religiously
totally
talking about
his
completely 100%. Like if I were
like,
to,
you know what, forget this these metals,
yes,
man.
yes, and just completely is now going. And then you watch the live streams; they're 45, 50 minutes, and I skim through it.
So he's still on, but he's only talking about cryptos.
Yes, and he's only talking about his crypto, and I'm listening, and I'm listening to it.
Good for him, man. I like this guy.
Just to see like where like no information is being given. Really, it seems like all these he's just talking about the community and like how this can go even further because it's in his best interest for the price to continue to go. Yeah, he doesn't want people to sell it. He wants them to hold.
To go up and back.
Right. So here's the thing. Like for example, like a channel, I'm just saying like a channel like mine where I've talked about not just silver and gold. I've talked about stocks. I've talked about owning crypto. I've talked about owning collectibles, right? For me, it wouldn't be such a strange shift if I were to come up with a meme coin.
Let's say you invested in one of these meme coins. You made $5 million overnight, right? Would you pull back on your content creating and your YouTube? Who are you kidding, bro? You quit your job and stay home.
It depends on the value.
This guy do the same thing.
It depends on how much.
Yeah, $5 million.
$5 million if
overnight. Tomorrow morning you woke up, you had $5 million.
Would I quit? I would have to do the math, most likely, but I would have to do the math to see, like.
We'd be saying Stormy.
Because $5 million. You think about it, like, well, think about how much is taxed. First of all, right? You get what I'm saying? So like, if you're taxed like half of that, and you're like capital gains, like short-term capital gains tax, and like you have $2.5 million. I mean, $2.5 million. That's not gonna keep you through. Like I'm only 45. If I live 30 more years,
all right, maybe you'd continue to be a teacher. Would you still give YouTube 100% like you do now? Would you be doing your lives?
I don't even
Tuesdays and Thursdays?
I'm not doing.
No,
what night
are your lives? Tell them.
Huh?
Tell them.
Wednesday nights, every other week. But I haven't been doing those full time right now. Anyway, like I've scaled back a lot on YouTube. I've only been doing YouTube videos, essentially our videos, once a week. I used to do 3 long form videos a week, plus 1 live stream, plus YouTube shorts. Now I've just been doing 1 long form video, which is always ours on Sundays, and every other week I've been doing a live stream. So I've scaled back a lot already.
Yeah, 5 million in account, you'd forget all about that.
I absolutely would. But here's the thing. Here's why I'm saying, like if you're using my channel as an example in comparison with this guy's channel, I've never said don't buy crypto. I've never said don't buy collectibles. Like essentially, I've been buying and selling collectibles.
Yeah, the guy's had a change of heart, man. He's a multimillionaire now.
I know, but I feel like if anything, like when you're doing something like that, at least do it not so abruptly and phase it in. Keep talking about the silver and gold so you're not alienating.
Ghost your subscribers and
he
stuff.
Completely ghosted the 50,000.
Look here, guys, you know what? You've been following me for the last 10 years about metals. Let me tell you about this crypto coin.
And that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And he's completely flipped his, like, what he's
I wonder if he still has his stack. Think he's liquidated everything? Or
no.
Yeah.
I bet the guy still has whatever silver and gold he has, and I don't know if he's sold his meme coins. Point is to completely switch on your audience for 5-6 years. Like then it's very evident that you've been in it only for the money or whatever it is.
Right.
So a lot of them are viewing it as bullshit in terms of like this guy's been touting silver and gold, creates this thing, and now you got to go look at the channel and just completely now only talks about this
Did you like erase the old videos and stuff? Like
No,
that?
it's all there. If you go on YouTube on your phone,
you gotta
I'll
blow
pull it
this
up
guy
so you
up?
can see. No, I'm not gonna. People in the comments already know who I'm talking about.
I don't. Just to set the record straight.
Yes, you do, because
Who?
we've talked about it. I'm not gonna say the person's name on here because I don't want to give them any more.
You told me this?
Yes, we've talked about it, and don't say the name. Yeah, you.
Okay.
This. Now, look. Ready? Hold up. Just scroll through. Right? You see, every single live is about this meme coin, right? But now, if we're gonna go, see where it stops. Right? This is gold, silver stackers, warning, silver. Right? So everything's warning. Silver's, we're running out of silver. Gold's gonna do this, right? Silver, gold. Boom. Here it is, meme coin. And now all it is his meme coin.
Wow.
You see what I'm saying? So he completely shifted. See, for me, if I were to do that, it wouldn't be such a complete...
Kept his name the same.
Yeah, I know that because he's built that channel like that. The point is he completely flipped on the subscriber base. For me, if I were to do something like that, I feel like it wouldn't be as much of an abrupt kind of shift because I've not only been so silver and gold focused. The majority of the channel, yes, silver and gold, but I've always talked about cryptos and other means of making money. Going back to the meme coins though, should people buy meme coins? I would say no, hell no. And to me, that's just like, if you have money to gamble with and you just want to see...
It's like telling people not to gamble on sports.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's,
yes.
So that's... do I advise it? No, of course not.
Right. But if you
have
like,
a little bit of extra money and it's not hurting your pocket and you're willing to take on a little bit of risk,
so like
definitely,
the Trump coin a couple days ago.
I wish I was in it when it...
If you woke up and it was like $1, I actually would have probably put $1,000 on it just to let it ride. And it went all the way up to 45. But I most likely probably would have sold by $2,000. Like if I saw it go from $1 to $3, I probably would have been out
Not
by then
ride it
because
out. No, like I
meme
said,
coins,
you have to
they
know when to get in, when to get out.
yeah,
you know?
and you really don't know. You don't. Nobody knows. And same thing with Bitcoin, XRP,
But you
Ethereum.
also,
Nobody
run
knows.
to the other issue too. They can become just worthless. That they just close. You know.
They are worthless.
No, but they have a value. You know what I mean? You buy them, you purchase them, but I mean that like the meme could be obsolete and worth zero.
Yes,
you know what
and
I mean?
that's
what I'm
all speculative. Right. It's all speculative. There's nothing behind
like the
it.
Hatsua girl, her coin's still there or no?
Yeah, it's still there, but I think it's like worth nothing.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of stackers that are watching that feel like all cryptocurrency is just made up scam, Ponzi scheme.
You know what? I think it's a generational thing.
I do too.
Because a lot of the older people that I talk to, I do get that response from them where like they don't know nothing about it. They can't hold it or touch it in their possession. They just don't want nothing to do with it. Whereas the younger kids are the complete opposite. They look at a gold bar and they say, what the hell am I going to do with this thing? You know, and they only know about the online and the cryptos and
It is a generational thing. I think you are hitting the nail on the head with that, is that it's generational. I think you and I are in an interesting phase. We're in that, when were you born? 81?
80.
1980? So you're like me.
Am I older than you? How old are you?
No, 79. I'm older than you. You can tell by the gray hair.
and no hair.
We're in a micro, what is it called? A micro generation. We're in between millennials and X. Yeah. So we're known as what they call Zennials. So from the year 77 to 82, I think it is, or 83. It's like a 6-year thing. We're the generation that grew up in like the old antiquated technology, but we were the first adopters to digital.
The new technology.
So we've kind of been in between the two. So I think you and I, we see the value in both.
Right.
Whereas somebody that's been...
Yeah, I'd have to agree with that.
You know what I mean?
I definitely get that vibe too. Like people our age, middle-aged, are on the fence. They're like 50-50. Some people are completely for it. Some people are completely against it.
Right.
You know?
I think if anything, it's in people's best interests to not be so narrow
Yeah, I mean, you
focused
definitely have
and
to
not
get on
have
board.
any.
I don't know about invested in meme coins.
No,
but,
don't
like,
invest in meme coins.
Definitely Bitcoin and like XRP and stuff
Ethereum.
like that. Ethereum.
Those are the top 3 on
They're
market
not
cap.
disappearing. They're not going anywhere.
There's
you
too
know?
much money in these
Yeah.
for them to
I
disappear
would
now.
definitely start to, and we're not saying put all your money in there, and but
This is not
definitely-
financial advice.
Definitely find out more about it, dabble in it a little bit, put a little bit of money into it,
Yeah.
play around.
I agree. I wouldn't.
It's the only way you're going to learn. To be honest,
The only way you're
with
going to
you,
learn, and it's also the only way. Like, yes, it's risky, but you look at some of the investments that are the most risky. They pay the most in profits at the end, right? I saw there's a couple channels that I follow. One in particular who very quickly and easily just shows values of stocks or whatever, and said, like, if you were investing in gold the last 10 years and Bitcoin, and it shows the percentage gain year over year, and it's just like gold is just like and then Bitcoin's like bam bam, bam.
it's a turtle race.
Insane.
Yeah, no, Bitcoin's had some big years.
Huge. Have you been buying or not really?
You know what? I just transferred a bunch of money into my trading account like a month ago, and I still haven't even used it. It's just sitting in cash in the account.
Send me the cash. And
You'll put it in your crypto.
I'll put it in my crypto.
Give me a couple of good meme coins to.
No memes. Guys, I'm curious. In the comments below, let us know if you are into any cryptocurrencies as well as the meme coins. Are you investing in any of the meme coins? I shouldn't really say investing. Are you gambling on the meme coins? Let us know in the comments below. How have you done? Be honest. Like, nobody. I mean,
I'd love to hear success stories.
I've got some of one of my worst stories ever. I don't mind freaking sharing the.
We got a couple of minutes. Let's hear this.
Let's save that for another video.
Come on, man. The suspense.
Worst.
Did you lose a lot of money?
Yeah, I didn't lose, but I could have made a shit ton more.
I had a customer of mine recently tell me that he went to send somebody $10,000 in Bitcoin.
And
one of the digits was off.
And then it went to someone else.
He went to someone else, and he just lost $10,000 and didn't pay for the other thing. Had to put out another $10,000 to pay for the actual.
You have to
item
be
there,
an incredibly honest, good Samaritan
to give it back.
back.
I'll update the story. He never heard a word from anybody. He never got the $10,000.
If I woke up and saw all of a sudden like $10,000 in my crypto, like in my
Can you even
Coinbase,
find out who sent it?
No, because it's just like a 20-something alphanumeric.
Money. Yeah.
I'm just like, oh, thank you, secret admirer who loves my channel and wants to support me. Like, that's what I would do. But I will talk about the worst investment that I ever made on the next video.
Come on.
Yeah, next time, because we have to save some stuff for future videos. But let us know in the comments below. What have you invested in with crypto, if at all? What are your thoughts on it?
And meme coins.
And meme
I wanna hear about
coins.
some meme coins.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next
Have a
one.
good weekend.